Kubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Sembut Menteri Rangba ka Jela uba Preston Tinsong hanya kasngi ulayathu ba ka Sorkar Jela kala IT sya ka Tnat Pulit panwat benya habaya day bat ka Jingmi Kubor ba ka don ka seng bathamai badang mi bat ka bala Jingbyrngem banle ki kampen bathai bom hakeleng saudong. Ulaong ru ba la ka ni ka Phyrnai ni em kumbala sapriang haki social media ka Sorkar kadang Bthah ya ka Tnat Pulit ban Pynshisha. Haba kali Halor ka Jingbyrngem yesok ka Sorkar bat ka HNLC na kaliang uba Preston ulaong ba udon Jingbyrngem ba kanya cakmat kumbala ya menjur.
Well, for this, we have already trusted the police department. We have already asked the police department to trace it out and find out whether the threat circulated through the media, through the social media, whether it is genuine, it is true or not. And then the police now they are on the job.
Don't you see that there is an attempt to foil the move of the government to call the SNLC for now?
That I don't think so. Because as I said to you, we are determined. We already invited the HNLC and I'm so happy. At least now they wanted to have across the table talking. So let us see. And I'm sure they are so positive from the government side also we are so positive. Let us see that talk starts very soon and I'm sure